Squeeze toothpaste onto your feet. See what happened to them. This recipe is cheap and incredibly simple. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt contains many microelements that strengthen the nail plate and accelerate its growth. Next, squeeze a tablespoon of toothpaste. Add it to the bowl with salt. Besides removing discoloration, toothpaste has antibacterial properties. Mix these 2 ingredients until you get a smooth consistency. Then add a tablespoon of coconut oil, which has deep moisturizing effects. Apply the mixture to your feet. It soothes and relaxes the feet after a long day. Also, apply it to your toenails. Gently rub and massage the nail plate. This will help remove impurities and get rid of bacteria and microorganisms that can accumulate under the nails. Leave the treatment on for 10 minutes. After this time, you will see the effects of this extraordinary mask. Perform this treatment regularly, your nails will become stronger. Don't overpay for a pedicure at a beauty salon. This simple trick from our grandmothers softens foot skin without a foot file. Prepare 2 drawstring bags, ensuring they are large enough for your feet. Pour half a cup of vinegar into each bag. Acetic acid helps regulate the pH of the foot skin and has antifungal properties. It also helps eliminate pathogens that can cause yellowing of the nails or cracked, discolored skin. Insert your feet into the bags and add half a cup of warm water to each bag. Keep your feet in them for at least 20 minutes. Vinegar is also excellent prevention for those dealing with corns and warts. Additionally, it helps eliminate unpleasant odors. Regular baths curb foot perspiration. Acetic acid acts like a treatment at a cosmetologist's. It softens calloused skin on the heels and bunions. Without using a drill or file, you'll get rid of tough skin. Your feet will be soft and firm. Repeat the process daily until the issues disappear. It's the best natural solution for common problems. Pour vinegar on your feet. Instead of expensive treatments and cosmetics, use something you already have at home. This is a simple home remedy that really works. Start with a bowl filled with 2 liters of warm water. Add 70 milliliters of vinegar, preferably white vinegar. Then stir in 2 tablespoons of salt. Once everything is dissolved, soak your feet in the mixture. Within minutes, you'll feel your skin becoming soft and pleasantly refreshed. This natural combination exfoliates, cleanses, and disinfects. After about 15 minutes, take your feet out of the bath and gently pat them dry with a towel. Next, apply a nourishing cream. It will work even better now that the skin is softened. Finally, put on cotton socks to lock in the moisture and boost the treatment's effects. When repeated regularly, this simple ritual will leave your feet smooth, well cared for, and soft to the touch, all without leaving home. Natural, effective, and pleasant. Pour Coca-cola on your feet. This might be the most unusual thing you do today, but the results will make you want to try it again. First, generously pour Coca-Cola over your feet, then sprinkle a good amount of baking soda, which effectively removes dead skin cells and refreshes the skin. The next step is to add vinegar. When mixed with baking soda, it will start to fizz. Let the mixture work for a few minutes. The acid in the vinegar has antibacterial properties, while the Coca-Cola moisturizes and refreshes the skin. After a few minutes, rinse your feet thoroughly with water and apply your favorite cream. You'll feel your skin becoming soft and rejuvenated. It's a true spa treatment for tired feet after a long day. This simple remedy not only softens the skin, but also neutralizes unpleasant odors and helps with small cracks on the heels. Your feet will be smooth, soft, and ready for the next day. Try this easy method. The results will pleasantly surprise you. I always go to sleep like this. This method works while you sleep and brings surprising results. Take 1 red onion and peel off the skin if it has any. Onion has long been associated with natural ways of caring for the body. It is rich in sulfur compounds that give it its strong smell. Slice it into medium-thick rings. Also prepare some plastic wrap. Place the onion slices on the soles of your feet. Wrap them carefully with the plastic wrap so everything stays in place. When you put onion slices on your feet, their natural compounds penetrate into the body, helping to remove unwanted microorganisms and supporting the cleansing of accumulated substances. Just 2 hours during home rest is enough. This simple ritual pleasantly warms the feet and brings noticeable relief. It is a natural method of cleansing the body that can truly surprise with its effectiveness. Try it once, and you will never need store-bought remedies again. Put foil in your sock. This trick may look unusual, but people actually use it. See what happens when you place aluminum foil inside a sock. I'll show you why it works, and I'm sure you'll want to try it too. Did you know that plain kitchen foil can help relieve foot pain? This old home remedy is said to reduce discomfort and inflammation. The foil acts as an energy conductor, pulling pain away and supporting recovery. But there's more. In emergencies, like when your shoes get soaked, a piece of foil in your sock can help keep your feet dry. It creates a barrier that protects against moisture and cold. Perfect for camping or rainy walks. Foil also helps when floors are cold or during winter. It adds a layer of insulation, keeping your feet warmer from below. One simple kitchen item, so many surprising benefits. Try it and see for yourself. Wrap your feet in aluminum foil. This will help you maintain good health. Colds and runny noses won't be such a threat anymore. During the winter season, this trick will assist you at the first signs of chilling and a cold. All you need is ordinary aluminum foil and Vapor Rub ointment. This ointment contains menthol, camphor, and essential oils. Apply it to your feet, focusing on your toes and the soles. Vapor Rub ointment is suitable for adults and children from the age of 5. It is recommended for treating cold symptoms. Its consistency is perfect for body application. The menthol scent is pleasant and brings relief during upper respiratory infections. Apply the ointment to the other foot as well. Take a piece of foil, place the foot on it, and wrap it tightly. You can use another piece of foil to cover the entire foot. Apply the foil to both feet in this way. Aluminum foil will retain heat. Leave the wrapped feet for about an hour. This way, you will quickly alleviate cold symptoms. This trick is especially useful for people who always have cold feet. You don't have to reach for medication right away. Use this wrap for several days. You will surely feel better. This is a trick you should share with your family. Massage the inner side of your foot, starting at the heel. Rub it slowly and thoroughly. Then move to the middle of the foot. Next, massage the area just below the toes. Finally, focus on the toes themselves, gently kneading them. This kind of massage helps release tension, supports healthy circulation, relaxes the whole body, and leaves you feeling light and refreshed after a long day.